Hi everybody, welcome to Gagajoy's Cooking, and then of course I'm Gagajoy. Today we're going to be doing something real unusual and different. We're going to be brining a turkey in the 11 spices from KFC. We've never done this before, so it's new and we're going to try it. And I was cleaning out my freezer. This turkey was from one of the holidays and I need to get it out, so we thought we would do some experimenting today. So the first thing I did is washed my turkey real good, inside and out, and then it's been resting for about an hour. So I'm going to, and I've already mixed my spices. As you see, it's quite a bit of them, and I'm going to tell you what they are, but at the end of the video, we'll have them all listed. So it's actually quite a bit. It says it's 1 cup of, I've used the pink salt, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of basil, 2/3 teaspoon of dried oregano, 2 teaspoons of celery salt, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of dry mustard, 8 teaspoons of paprika, 4 teaspoons of ground garlic, or the garlic salt, 6 tablespoons of white pepper, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, and I'm going to be adding the lemon. I'm just putting the lemon in it, so that would actually be 12 herbs and spices. And I just love the lemon in turkey. I doubled this recipe because the recipe that I had was for a chicken, an 8-piece chicken, so I just doubled it. So because this is probably a 15-pound turkey, so I feel sure we're going to have plenty. And I'm going to do mine in a big hefty bag. I usually do it in I have a white container, but I think this bag is going to do it. And believe me, I've used plenty of stuff to kill the germs. Okay, now see, I've got my turkey in my bag and there's room. So I'm going to add my lemon up in it and everything. And I took everything out, so there's nothing in it or anything. Now I'm going to add my spices. Oh, they smell divine, I know that. I'm really anxious to see how this comes out. It couldn't come out bad. It'd have to be good. I'm sure I'll be turning it over every now and then. Now we're going to brine this for 24 hours. And so today we'll fill it. I'm going to put it in my refrigerator. And then tomorrow we'll take it out. Yeah, I'm going to have to add more water. Okay. I might. I think that's all the water I'm going to add. And I'm going to work here a little bit on getting it in there good. I'll get my son to help me, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, we're back. Now the turkey has been brined for 24 hours. It's a female turkey, so it's should be cooked 15 minutes per pound. This is 15 pounds, so it'd be 3 hours and 45 minutes. So I'm going to take it from the brine and put it in the pan, and this is probably the messiest part of the whole deal. Okay, now I've got it in here, and I'm going to use the lemon from here. I always stuff my turkey with lemon. That's my, so I'm going to keep this lemon because you can see it's still good. and stuff my turkey with lemon. Now remember, we had 11 herbs and spices. My my lemon would have made it 12, but we're going to stick with 11. And now that it's here, I'm going to add a can of turkey broth to the bottom, just to keep it from burning. You know, when it's, grease falls down, it tends to burn. So now we're going to put the rest of, now this is another whole concoction of the 11 herbs and spices. I'm going to put it all over it. And I will check it to make sure if it needs to be basted. I'll put a little butter on it later. Right now, I won't be using all of these herbs and spices because it's a lot of them. But if I use butter, I think I'll probably go back and use some more of these. Let me try to get it everywhere. I can't wait. Now, if I put in, I've got my oven going 425. I always start my turkey on 425 for about a half an hour, then turn it down to 350. So this turkey will be done in 3.5 hours. Lift it over so we get the back too, although there's not much meat in the back. It probably... Okay, I'll flip it back over. Maybe get some here on the side. Anyway, it's got plenty 11 herbs and spices. I don't think nobody's going to be lacking there. Put this underneath like this. Okay, now I'm gonna let my son put this in for me, and we'll be back in 3.5 hours and see how she does. Well, our turkey is at its time, and I've got to say it looks pretty. It is certainly has smelled good. We don't know what it tastes like yet. I think we're going to find out. I tell you what we did do. I think I forgot to tell you, when I put it in the oven, I put the aluminum foil over it for about 3 hours and then took it off the last hour so it would brown good. But we put Pam. I put Pam on it 2 times so that it looked like it was drying out on top. So we did put Pam on it. So let's see what it did. It really should rest for about 2 hours, but we'll cheat. I just want to know if the flavoring went down in it. Well, I'll tell you right now, it's very moist. That tastes just like Kentucky Fried Chicken in a turkey form. It's perfect. It's so moist. You can see how moist it is, though. I mean, you can see the moisture in it. So, yeah, I think I would do that again. I can still taste the taste in my mouth. You're going to love this. Try it one time anyway. But now remember, the recipe will be at the end of the program, and where he lists everything in the 11 herbs and spices. Just add the lemon to it. It's the only thing that I did. Enjoy this. You'll enjoy it. But this has been fun. I will have to say that. We haven't tried this before. But we had fun doing it today. And I hope you'll wait till you see how. I'll tell you about it on the next show, how it did. And it may be your Thanksgiving turkey, who knows. Anyway, it's been a wonderful day. It's a beautiful autumn here. Enjoy, remember the joy. A lot of people still hurting. We'll see you soon.